We are Filkin's Drift. I'm Seth By and this is Chris Roberts. And we have just started walking all 870 miles of the Wales coast path. We're here now at Flint Castle and today is our first day of walking, so breaking the boots in, getting there, feeling all right so far. Probably got about 59 days to go now. By the time this goes out, we'll have done our first few gigs.
Yeah, we'll have played at Chester Folk Club, St Anne's in Rhyl, St Tidno's in Llandudno, and St Mary's in Conway as well. And along the way, we're raising money for Live Music Now, who are a great charity whose values align quite a lot with those of the tour. They bring music to people that doesn't often reach and makes a real difference in communities and to people's lives. So if you want to donate to them, you can do so via our website.
So if you don't live in Wales, that's not a problem. You can keep up to date with us through our website, which is filkinsmusic.com, and also on our YouTube channel, which is just called Filkin's Music. We're going to be releasing weekly vlogs, so every Sunday at 12:30, and throughout the week on Wednesdays we're going to be releasing interviews with people in the community we visit and giving you a little midweek update as well. So there's loads going on our YouTube channel, Filkin's Music, on our Instagram and Facebook, all Filkin's Music. So yeah, we hope to see you in Wales, or if not, drop us a comment and say hi.